Hey guys, Braden Hedspeth here with MarineMax in Panama City Beach. I'm standing aboard this great opportunity to own a 2011 330 Chaparral Signature Series. This boat has a lot to offer. Let's step aboard and I'll show you what it's got. All right guys, as we're aboard this 330 Signature Chaparral, as you can see here, it's got nice lounge seating, aft lounge, great for the island. You do have easy access to your shore power. Transom remote, easy access. If you guys are at the island hanging out, want to change the music, there you go. As we come aboard here, as you can see, this is a 2011. The interior is impeccable. It's got diamond stitching, nice wraparound seating. It does offer a table. So those days that you guys just want to relax, have some lunch, enjoy the sun, this is a great boat. If we walk forward, you can see at the helm, you got a nice captain's chair, is powered. You got room for two here. Easy access to the bow of the boat with a nice sun pad. Corian countertops. This is your little trash chute. You also got a freshwater sink as well. Let's come on over here to the helm. This boat is powered with twin 350 mags. It's only got 267 hours. Digital throttle control, easy accessibility, again, to the front, to the sun pad. You do have upgraded Garmin electronics. So this is an 86 series Garmin 12-inch. So you guys, here we are in the salon area. Has plenty of room. Nice diamond stitching seating. You got a very large aft berth that'll sleep probably two comfortably. This table here does lower down into a bed to where you guys can sleep as well. As you can see, nice teak throughout, great condition. Again, for an 11, this boat is impeccable. Plenty of storage throughout. You do have a freshwater sink, stovetop, refrigerator, and microwave for all your cooking needs. You do have a TV with a swivel. Great thing about this boat, it's got a massive head. So if you look in there, you got plenty of room, take a shower, electric marine head, overboard discharge. This boat does come AC, heat. Of course, it's got the generator. Low hours. Guys, this is Braden with MarineMax. Definitely gotta come check this boat out. Great, great boat for the money. You can call me at 727-744-7304.